What's up everyone, I'm here again. The other day I took my Zed out for a bit of a drive, boosted it quite a bit, and all of a sudden it started, well, not working very well, kept stalling, just on idle. It was fine on boost, but just on idle. Anyway, I thought it's, sorry for the noise, it's a good time to do a video on how to find a vacuum leak or a boost leak. Very simple, to be honest. If you're a smoker or a vapor, it's actually a lot easier, and I'll show you what.
Alright, so this I've taken the math off and put a glove over the intake. That will it's just to stop any leaks from when we blow into a vacuum pipe. So over here we have taken off a vacuum pipe, which should go on there. And I'm going to be blowing into this one here. Okay, I'll be using a vapor because I don't smoke myself. I mean, it's my friend's vapor, so I'll be blowing into there with loads of smoke in my mouth, and it should blow out smoke somewhere where the leak is. Okay, it's a mess at the moment, so just bear with. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, this actually simulates a smoke machine, what a garage would use to find proper leaks in the system. They're about £1,000, so it's much better. Okay, so in this instance it's actually coming from the intake air control valve. If you can look closer, that is where the screw is meant to be, the idle control screw. However, I do believe it has popped out, heavy boosting, etc. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment also in the comments below. If you want plenty more of these videos, don't forget you can also subscribe. We're putting plenty more videos of my Zed, my 300ZX twin turbo, normal drives, etc, etc. Once I fix this intake air control valve, it will need a new system on it. For now I might be able to just put a bolt in there just to keep it running, but ideally it needs a new intake air control valve, which is a shame. They're quite expensive. I have to get one second hand, I do believe. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me, and goodbye.